your diesel engine is dying and you don't know. If you always see oil in your DPF instead of soot, that means your diesel engine is dying. Let me tell you why you have oil in your DPF. Number one reason is turbocharger oil seal failure. Oil lubricates your turbocharger, but when the seal of the oil is bad, then it allows oil to leak into your exhaust and from your exhaust to your DPF. And when these get there, you are going to see oil in your DPF. What is number two is one piston rings. Your piston rings ensure that oil does not get to the combustion chamber, but when your piston ring is bad, it allows oil to get there, and the unburned oil also get to your exhaust and find its way to your DPF. And what is number three? Faulty PCV system. The PCV system also faulty PCV system. When your positive crankcase ventilation system that controls the engine pressure, when it fails, it allows excess oil vapor enter into the intake, and when this happens, the engine cannot burn oil, so that goes to your exhaust and then to your DPF. And number four is when you have overfilled engine oil. These two can also increase crankcase pressure and forces oil to where it shouldn't go, and that will also get to your exhaust system. These are the four reasons or four causes why you are having oil in your DPF system. So what are the symptoms? How are you going to know? One, if you see that you are always have frequent DPF regeneration, each time you drive your engine keep asking for regeneration, that's to tell you that there's oil in your DPF. And number two, if you have thick white or blue smokes, that is another red flag. And if your oil level is always increasing, that's to tell you that you are having oil in your DPF. And number four, I also mentioned, is DPF warning light. These are signs or symptoms that you are having oil in your DPF. But are you going to fix it? Check your turbocharger, ensure you have good piston rings, and also ensure that you have good injector. Ensure you have your turbocharger is not leaking oil, and the shaft is not playing. Then you clean your DPF, you replace it, and ensure you use correct oil level, and don't encourage bad driving habits. If you can do this, you should able to fix the problem of your DPF issue or oil in your DPF. Hope you enjoy this video. Don't forget to like and follow me for more any tips. See you in another video.